Welcome back to another video today, guys. Today is a very special day because we're going to be durability testing my carbon fiber diffuser for the CLS. Now, you may be wondering why we're doing a durability test. I got scammed. So this thing actually came very damaged. As you can see, it came very cracked, and it's cracked on this side too. When we were trying to put it on the car, it was actually cracking because it was warped. It just, like I said, it wasn't fitting. So today, we're going to be seeing how durable your carbon fiber actually is. And to be honest, I have no idea what the f else to do with it. So we're just gonna focus. Hey, focus. So the first durability test we're going to be using today is the 20 gauge Remington 870. So if you ever wonder how your carbon fiber parts hold up against a shotgun shell, I guess you're going to find out. This town ain't big enough for the two of us, scammer. It actually kind of held up more than I thought it would. I kind of thought it'd shatter. I mean, oh, a mosquito. Well, this is the damage from a 20 gauge. So this is the damage from the 20 gauge. It actually held up a little more than I thought. You can definitely tell that there's some fiberglass in here. Get a close up of it. You can see where all the BBs landed. All right, well, on to the next test. All right, so the shotgun didn't work as great as I thought it would. So it looks like we're gonna move up to the KX450 here. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out, but I guess we'll see. Somehow it's actually still holding up way better than I thought it was. So I think that just means more tests, Brandon.
I agree.
So I forgot to mention that I did open a Venmo dispute on this thing to try to get my money back because it showed up really messed up, right? And I sent them all the proof. Like, there couldn't have been any more proof. And then their app was glitching. I emailed their support team 3 times. They never sent me an email with instructions, so I got a hold of them yesterday, and they basically told me to go f myself, and it's already done. This right here feels like a fucking crime. CLS versus its carbon fiber. This should be illegal. All right. Oh shit! You could hear it completely just shatter. It's still holding up in the same piece though. Oh, it's still holding its form. I can't believe it. So far it's getting a pass. All right, so next up we got Katie, my Ranger. If this doesn't crush it, then I don't know what else to do. We're just gonna have to exterminate this thing. I didn't even go over the log. Dude, it's like, it's hanging on for dear life. Like, you can see this all cracked, like split. This completely broke off. We're getting to the point where it has to be absolutely just vaporized. So we're gonna head over there. We're gonna grab some
fireworks.
Probably gonna really upset the neighbors here. What can I say? It's gotta go. It's for research purposes. You bet your ass we're getting the drone out for this one. I ain't standing anywhere close to that thing. So this is our first test. I say we just stick it like right underneath it. We ready? Ah! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Ew, it smells like ass. That fucker went like 15 to 20 feet in the air, and it's like almost in half. I thought it split into two. We're gonna get a bucket of water, and we're gonna do the big boy next. If this thing survives it, then good fucking job, because this thing's still staying in one piece. All right, we gotta get water for this one, because this one could go. What the hell was that noise? This one could go very south, so you already know we gotta get some water. Oh, it's so muddy. Oh, I'm gonna sink. Ugh. You thick, boy. All right, let's go. All right, we're good. Oh. Yes. That thing's gone. There's no way. Oh, look at all the smoke. The smoke is just like slowly just walking its way over to the neighbor's house. The neighbor doesn't like us. You guys can tell, but this is all smoke right here. So here's some pieces. Here's a piece. There's a piece. Yeah, absolutely vaporized. We've officially shot, ran over, burned, and exploded the carbon fiber diffuser. This is all that remains. So basically, there is no more diffuser, and earlier I've never seen carbon fiber rain from the sky before. Well guys, that has been another amazing YouTube video. If you're new here, make sure you go hit that like, comment, and subscribe button if you want more. Leave in the comments if you like these type of videos. On that note, I guess I'll just see you in the next one. See ya.